Hello, welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, I will guide you how to check alt text of any image on any website. But before starting, please subscribe this channel for future videos. Let's see how we can check alt text of any image on any website. Simply open web browser. After this, search this extension in Chrome, Image Alt Text Viewer. This extension will be on top. Just install in your Chrome browser. After installing, you have to pin it. After that, you will see it here. After this, open any website. In this scenario, we have opened an Amazon website and a product. On this page, you can see a lot of images. Let's suppose this one. If we scroll down, these are all images. This is A plus content, and here you can see the all text are not visible. Once you click on this extension, and you will see the all text of all images, and this one also all text, this one in green color, and this one and this one. In this way you can check any alt text of any image on any website. This is Amazon. I have opened another website for you. This one is Canva, and here you can see a lot of logos. But what is the actual alt text of these logos? If you want to pick that specific alt text of these logos, just click on same extension, and after that you will see the all alt text of these logos. Here you can see. So in this way you can pick any alt text of any image on any website. If you are going to optimize the Amazon listing, then this trick is very beneficial for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye till next time.